Hey everybody, this is Michael Stiver with the Mobile Bay Vintage Motorcycle Club. We're here at Billy's. Today was our 14th year of participating in the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. This year the club raised $4,700 and our lifetime amount we've raised is $43,000. A little light turnout today. We got about 30 bikes. It's threatening rain, but still a great turnout. We got the Mobile Bay bombshells here, and we're gonna have a little party for a couple hours and hang out.
Tell me about your armband. What is that?
Yeah, Distinguished Gentleman Ride. Got this one on the website. Same as a lapel pin. It's up there.
So is that a reward for fundraising, or are they available to buy?
These ones just for some swag, you know.
All right.
Ride. Yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Yep.
Oh, I think you got a good idea.
I need to get me one of those.
All right. Yeah, I'll try to put a little more bling on as I go. But
how many Distinguished Gentleman's Rides have you?
This is my second one.
This is your second. Tell me, what do you think about this event?
Fantastic. First time I heard of it was here in the Mobile area, down at Billy's. I come to the bike nights, and I wasn't able to go last year, but I went the first year that Billy hosted, and I'm here for the second year. So yeah, mental health awareness and the prostate cancer awareness, all the stuff. Raising funds for it. It's a great cause, great organization, and I mean it's a worldwide event, so it's a good time to dress up, even though it's hot. We just represent, you know.
Thank you very much.
Bombshells.
Okay.
You got to get all of them in.
I got them.
And they are here just to greet us. Our ride, our Distinguished Gentleman's Ride.
Yeah, we're honored to be here every year. Every year.
Here's
A pinup group on the Gulf Coast, and we try to promote just awareness for local organizations, and we try to get involved in any way that we can and encourage community engagement and involvement and, support our groups however we can.
Did you get that vest?
You know, my girlfriend of 40 years made this for me.
That's pretty awesome.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Let's see the back of it.
The back looks like
You look like a model, like Kathy Ireland. You know?
Oh, wow, thank you.
Do the
Well, I'm
thing,
pretty
yeah.
dapper, huh?
He's already got a big name.
Shoes. Look at the shoes, everybody.
Hey, it's an entire ensemble. I knew I was hanging with a kind of fashion-focused crowd here.
I took my tie off, it's too hot.
So for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, this is kind of the theme that you wear, right? How would you describe that?
Look at this.
Very eclectic.
Look at this.
Pretty cool.
Let's say like 20 shoes, I don't know, 40s vest, and 70s tie. So I can't decide where I am.
Thought about it.
Yeah, so my name is Pedro. Originally actually from Brazil. Moved down here to the area about 7-8 months ago. First bike right here, the Trident 660. First DGR as well, and it was an absolute blast just having everybody together and be able to see all these different kind of bikes. It's such a blast. This is awesome.
Oh, it's so cute, Sarah.
I don't look Italian.
Ciao bella.
This year we've completed the 2026 DGR, Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. This is my 3rd year riding in it, and it was successful. We all made it over here from Rosie's 1901 garage in downtown Mobile to Billy's restaurant in Fairhope. And from what I understand, it was the 14th year of this organization riding together, which is a huge win. And just raising money to help men going through some tough times, prevent mental illness, and to fight prostate cancer. So 2 great causes, 1 great ride, done all around the world, and I am really enjoying being a part of it. Take it on, America.
Stinky feet.
True story.
What are we doing today?
We're here for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride.
All right, cool.
Moto Guzzi 1000 Spada, or SP, what we usually call it over here apparently. 1000 cc, 5-speed. It's got just hit 28,000 miles. I've only had it a couple months.
Now, is this the automatic transmission version, or you shifted?
That silver one over there, that converted is automatic. This one's a 5-speed. You know, these things.
Well, that sure does sound smooth, and it doesn't, no valve noise or nothing. No. Engine sounds solid.
It was actually, I like to hear them a little bit. They were actually, the intake valves were too tight. I could tell it was even quieter than my Ambassador, so I figured they were too tight, and sure enough they were. Okay. But yeah, it gets down the highway good.
We're at the one and only Billy's restaurant on Highway 181 in Fairhope, Alabama. Some of the best food you'll ever eat. Great atmosphere, good times, and good people. Come on down and join us. Tell me about it. Did y'all enjoy it?
It was fun. It was all great camaraderie and togetherness. I like all of it. Very inclusive.
Who here is their first time to ride it? Now that you rode it at one time, what do you think? What's your first impressions of it?
Would refer.
Huh?
Would refer.
Okay. Do it again next year?
Yeah, we'll do it again.
All right. Y'all have a nice day. Billy's Bacon, Burgers, and Bikes. It's the place.